Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to set up your own IRC chatbot. It's very simple. We're going to be using NodeJS so we can write our scripts in JavaScript. Let's start off by setting up your NodeJS environment. So just do a Google search of NodeJS. It's nodejs.org. Now you want to download the current version. I'm using Windows and I'm on 64-bit. So once you install this program, we'll be able to jump right into the development environment. Welcome back. Now that you have Node.js installed, let's confirm by hitting Windows and R and then typing cmd in the run window. Then in the command prompt, you want to type node and the little caret will show up, which means that you're in Node.js's JavaScript inline JavaScript editor. So if you just type console.log hello world and hit enter and it echoes hello world back to you, then it should work. Let's hit Control-C twice. Now what we're going to be doing is installing another program, and this program is called Notepad++. So you want to open up Google and type Notepad++. It'll be notepad-plus-plus.org. Just hit download and you'll download the latest installer and install it. Again, installation is pretty streamlined, so I'm going to skip the video ahead for you. Welcome back. Now that you have Notepad++ installed, you're that much closer to having your own IRC bot. But first we still have to configure our environment, which Notepad++ is helping us do. So you want to create another folder on your computer, and it's going to be located in your users directory. Now we're going to name it JavaScripts just because that's where we're going to store our JavaScript files. So once you create the folder in your user directory, just go ahead and enter it. Now we're going to create a new file in here. We're going to call it myircbot.js. Change the file type, which is good. Make sure you right click open, choose another app, and you want to open it with Notepad++. So you're just going to have to navigate to it. And once you navigate to it, it will start opening your JavaScript files by default in Notepad++ for you to edit. Now this is very good. What we have to do now though is using the Notepad++ manager, you want to type Npm Install Irc. And we need to do this because this is the IRC library that we will be using for this bot. You're going to see a lot of stuff go by. Great. You'll want to go back to Notepad++ and we want to begin coding now. Welcome back. Now, this is the final code to get a working IRC bot that will respond to your text commands. So let me just run over the basics for you. So this config variable here, this is what you'll need to config. Your channels is just an array of different strings, and it just designates which channels that you actually want to join. Now this is an example of how you join two different channels, and you don't have to, you can just join one, and for the sake of this example that's what I'm going to do, but that text that I just had there was exactly how you do it. Now bot name is the username of your Twitch bot, or your username yourself, and the OAuth is a special token that Twitch generates for you to allow applications to log in through chat with your username. To do so, just type Twitch password or Twitch chat password generator and go to twitchapps.com/tmi. It'll click the connect with Twitch button, and it'll ask you if you want to allow access. You say yes, and then you just copy this OAuth token and you come here and you paste it in, and voila, there you go, there's the OAuth token. That's all that you need. Now I'll show you how the actual command syntax works. So here we have an onMessage function, and the from variable is the username that's sending the message. The channel variable is the channel the message was occurred in, and the text variable is obviously what they have said. So what we're doing here is we create a simple if statement. If the text is the equivalent of !greeting, So if they type exactly this text, then the bot is going to send a private message to the channel, and it's going to say, hello militia, for example, you have triggered my command. And you'll see this in chat. So let's actually go to my channel's chat and I'll show you a working demonstration. So remember where we saved this file in JavaScript? When you open up your notepad, just make sure that you type cd JavaScripts. That way you're inside the working directory. If you type dir, you should see your myircbot.js or whatever you called it there. So now what you want to do is just type node myircbot.js and hit enter, and it will run. And as you can see here, the bot has joined the channel #militia. Now that event happens right here, which is nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Twitch channel and we're going to type !greeting and hit enter. And as you can see, the bot instantaneously responds, hello militia, you have triggered my command. So that's the genesis of how you'd create a bot command and how you'd get the bot to respond based on what was said. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, and I'll try to upload more videos in the future. If you want to subscribe, you can see those videos as well. Goodbye.